Hello, my name is Dennis Newton. I'm the Senior Applications Specialist for Fowler High Precision, and today I want to talk about the difficulty of measuring bores where you have either a partial bore, a segmented bore, or it may be a split housing on a transmission, for example. So you don't have good access to the full diameter. So we're going to talk about a solution I've developed for measuring in that situation. So we have just two components that are going to facilitate this measurement. One is this 4-inch depth base that we can use any indicator with. That's a standard part. Its part number is 52125-004-0, and this is available at around $17 currently. The other component we're going to be using is our Silvac Mark 6 Bluetooth indicator, digital indicator. The reason I'm using Bluetooth is I want to transmit the reading from the gauge when I'm in the bore to a PC where it's going to calculate the diameter that we're measuring. Here's an illustration of how this will work. We're going to place the gauge assembly into this partial bore here, and the base length is 4 inches approximately on this particular base. And we're going to measure H, which is the distance from where the base sits into the bore and settles onto the periphery of the bore diameter, and we're going to calculate the diameter from that measurement. In order to communicate with your computer, your PC or laptop, you will require one of these. This is a Bluetooth dongle, Bluetooth receiver. Our part number is 54115-246-BT. It's around $47. And it's available from stock. And the other item will be some software that allows you to interpret that reading coming into the computer and allow it to be sent to something like Excel. And that is called Silcom Lite, and that's a free download off our website. Our website is www.fowlerprecision.com. And you can just go to downloads and download that software for nothing. So what we have here is my computer screen showing how I've loaded the Silcom software on the right hand side here, and I put the Excel spreadsheet where I'm going to put the readings into via the Silcom on the left hand side. So you can see here that the Silcom software is communicating directly with the Bluetooth system to my indicator, reading dynamically, and at any time I can send that data. There's different ways of sending the data, but simply hitting the F9 key on the computer will send that data, or you could use the indicator to send it as well. So take a different reading, so you can see you get the diameter result in the right hand column here. So it's as simple as that. Of course, the main question is, does this method supply accurate results? So let's find out. Okay, now we've come along to a calibration lab. This facility is Imperial Metrology, with the kind permission of Glenn Morton. He's allowing us to use his calibration lab here with temperature control to make accurate measurements on this master setting ring. This particular one is 9.169534. I've zeroed my indicator onto the surface plate here, so I'm getting a true measurement from the base to the periphery of the ring. I simply place the indicator into the feature here, and once I've got a settled reading, I can hit the F9 key, and that places the reading into my spreadsheet. Here we can see the result that went into the spreadsheet. That was the depth, and here is the calculated diameter, 9.16983, and that's just 3/10,000ths off of the actual ring size itself. So in summary, I just wanted to point out that this is not intended to replace normal bore gauges. This is really a solution where you have a tricky situation and you need a solution to ever check your part prior to taking it out of the machine, for example, or if it's just a component that doesn't have a full circular diameter that you can measure with a normal bore gauge. Thank you very much.
Calibration.